why does a spoonful of sugar vanish instantly into your tea, while a solid sugar cube takes forever? It all comes down to the dissolution rate. Let's drop a massive 3x3 sugar cube into a container of liquid. The liquid particles can only attack the exact outside faces of the block that they physically touch. Now watch what happens when we split that large block into its 27 smaller cubes. The total amount of sugar hasn't changed at all. The mass is exactly the same. So if the mass is identical, why does it behave so differently? Splitting the cube exposed dozens of hidden internal faces to the liquid. This is a massive increase in total surface area, which means drastically more liquid particles can attack the sugar at exactly the same time. This highlights a strict cause and effect rule. The specific action of increasing the surface area directly triggers a faster speed of disappearing. So what about that stubborn, solid sugar cube we dropped into the tea earlier? Crush it up, expose every single hidden face to the liquid, and it vanishes completely in seconds.